I want to show you something that genuinely changed how I think about video production. You know that feeling when you have a great idea, a solid blog post, a detailed doc, and turning it into an actual video feels like a completely separate project that requires skills you don't have and time you don't have? TapVid removes that entirely.
As daylight bleeds from the sky, the rules of the savanna invert. The frantic energy of the river is replaced by a suffocating stillness.
It's the first AI built specifically for motion graphic video, and available to try for free right now. You describe what you want, drop in a PDF or a link, and you get back a finished editable motion graphic video. No editor, no timeline, no After Effects. Let me show you the full workflow. Open tapvid.ai in a desktop browser, Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Sign in, and you'll land on TapVid's chat interface. This is where everything happens. There's no complex dashboard, no project manager, no separate editor to learn. One chat window. 4 steps. Finished video. In the chat input, you'll see a field that says, describe the video you want to create, who it's for, and where it'll be used. This is your only input. Everything TapVid builds comes from what you put here. I'm going to do 2 versions today to show you the range. First, a text prompt. I'll type, create a 90-second explainer video about how AI is changing content creation for solo creators in 2025. Audience is YouTube creators and marketers. Style, clean, modern motion graphic. Voice, confident, direct, slightly conversational. Look at the settings bar below the input. You can set the style, language, length, format, and whether you want a single continuous scene or a chapter-based structure. I'll set format to explainer, length to 90 seconds, style to modern. Hit generate. Now let me show you the second input method, and this is the one that saves the most time. Click the plus icon in the chat bar and select Upload PDF. I'm uploading a blog post I wrote last month, about 5 pages of content. TapVid reads the document, extracts the key arguments, structures them into a video flow, and uses the actual content as the source material. Same result as the prompt, but the source is already written. For anyone repurposing blog posts, research docs, pitch decks, or product specs into video, this is the one you'll use every day. Before TapVid builds anything, it shows you a video outline in the right panel. TapVid Studio. This is the concept, the key scenes, and the pacing all mapped out. You'll see the intro concept, the hero visual moments with time codes, and the outro structure. Read through it. Does the angle match what you had in mind? Is the opening hook strong enough? Are the key points in the right order? If anything needs changing, just type it in the chat. I'll type, move the third point to be the opener. It's a stronger hook. And make the tone slightly more energetic throughout. TapVid updates the outline immediately. Review the revised version. When it looks right, click Confirm and Continue. This outline step is what makes TapVid different from every other AI video tool I've used. Most tools generate first and ask questions later. TapVid shows you the creative direction before touching a single frame. You're approving a production plan, not hoping the output matches your idea. Click Confirm and TapVid starts building. You'll see the progress in the chat panel. Sources collected, script written, scenes generating. Here's the part I genuinely wasn't expecting. TapVid runs in the background. You get a notification that it'll email you when the video is ready. You don't have to sit and watch a progress bar. Close the tab, go do something else, come back when it's done. One important technical note on why this matters beyond just convenience. TapVid builds video as code rather than flat footage. That means it can check its own output, catching a broken frame or overflowing text, and fixing it automatically before you ever see it. You don't get a broken render that you then have to re-export. The output is clean on arrival because the system is auditing itself during generation. The email arrives. Click the link and you're back in TapVid Studio with your finished video playing in the preview panel. Watch it through. You'll see chapters listed below the player. Each scene is a separate navigable section. There's also a full transcript on the right side showing every line of narration synced to the video. Now let's make some changes. I want to adjust one scene. The third section feels slightly too long. In the chat panel, type, trim the third chapter by about 15 seconds, cut the second example, and go straight to the conclusion of that point. TapVid edits that scene only. The rest of the video stays intact. This is scene-by-scene editing through conversation. No timeline scrubbing, no cutting handles, no render queue. I also want to swap the voiceover style on the intro. Type, make the opening narration feel more like a documentary. Slower pacing, more gravitas. TapVid updates the voiceover on the intro section, and you can preview it immediately. One more thing worth showing. Click the interactive toggle in the settings panel. TapVid can make your video clickable and responsive to the viewer. Add a clickable CTA button at the end, a chapter navigation overlay, or a linked element mid-video. For product launches, course content, or anything where you want the viewer to take an action inside the video itself, this is the feature that separates TapVid from a standard exported video file. When everything looks right, click Publish. TapVid hosts it and gives you a shareable link. You can also add a Made with TapVid credit to the video, which, honestly, is good content in itself. I made this with one prompt is its own kind of story. Here's what TapVid actually is in practice. It shrinks the distance between I have an idea and I made it down to a single sentence. What a motion designer and a production team would take weeks to produce, you're getting back in minutes. And it's not a template remix of something everyone else already made. There are no templates. You describe what's in your head and get exactly that back. TapVid is available to try for free right now. Go to tapvid.ai, open it in a desktop browser, sign in, and describe your first video. The link is in the description. Drop a comment telling me what you'd turn into a video first, a blog post, a doc, a pitch deck. I'm curious what people go for. Subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools that change what's actually possible. This is one of the ones.